Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new here. I'm Rachna Prasad. Thank you for being here and I hope you are doing well. So in today's video, I'm going to give you a tour of my bookshelf. So this is kind of a updated tour because I just bought many books recently. I reorganized my bookshelf again. My books used to be right behind me, but I shifted them again to the upper shelf because of some situation. So this is kind of an updated bookshelf tour. My books are in no particular order. I just kept them as I could. I just adjusted them as I could. And I have many different genres. Many of my books are used books, and I do have many big fat books that I really love. So I hope you do enjoy this bookshelf tour. I'm not going to do something very special because I don't know what would be special other than showing you the books, but I'm just going to tell you the names of books and the authors, and maybe recommend you some of my favorite reads in between. Yeah, but that would be it, I guess. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you do, please do like and subscribe to my channel. It will help me a lot to grow here. So yeah, the first book that we have here is A Little Princess. The second book is The Stroke Stories, Volume 2, Poetry Collection. Then we have 50 Shades of Grey by E.L. James. 50 Shades Darker by E.L. James, 50 Shades Freed by E.L. James. And then lastly, in the 50 Shades trilogy, we have Grey by E.L. James. Homeroom Diaries by James Patterson. This beautiful copy of Treasure Island by Robert Louis Stevenson. This kind of vintage copy of Adventures of Tom Sawyer. Another children's book, White Socks and Other Stories. Again, The Adventures of Tom Sawyer. Then 101 Best Adventure Stories. The Comfort of Saturdays by Alexander McCall Smith. Hush Hush by Becca Fitzpatrick. The God of Small Things by Arundhati Roy. The next book is Tales of Long Ago. The Boy Who Loved by Durjoy Datta. The Boy with a Broken Heart by Durjoy Datta. The Other Woman by Jane Green. The Beach House by Jane Green. A Good Woman by Daniel Steele. A Wanted Man by Lee Child. The Rescue by Nicholas Sparks. The Green Mile by Stephen King. Cujo by Stephen King. The Poet by Michael Connelly. Second Chance by Daniel Steele. Going Home by Daniel Steele. The Kiss by Daniel Steele. Vanished by Daniel Steele. Changes by Daniel Steele. Daniel Steele is my most owned author and one of my favorites. Love Story by Eric Segal. My Sister's Keeper by Jodi Picoult. Perfect Match by Jodi Picoult. The Pact by Jodi Picoult. Gone Girl by Gillian Flynn. The Kite Runner by Khaled Hosseini. The Beekeeper's Daughter by Santa Montefiore. The Girl in Room 105 by Chetan Bhagat. Of course, I Love You by Durjoy Datta and Manvi Ahuja. Chicken Soup for the Sister's Soul. Vampire Diaries, The Furry and the Reunion by L.J. Smith. Will You Still Love Me by Ravinder Singh. Catscape by Mike Nicholson. I Am Not 24 by Sachin Garg. Feeling Blue by Saurabh Singh. Wish I May by Justin Picardi. Panchatantra. The Girl Who Saw It All by Roop Rashi. The Diary of My Love by Disha Sangani. Mrs. Funny Bones by Twinkle Khanna. Desert Pursuit by Chris Ryan. I Too Had a Love Story by Ravinder Singh. Gangs of Social Media by Wasim Raja Bhavikatti. Looking for Alaska by John Green. The Legacy by Catherine Webb. Marley and Me by John Grogan. The Secret by Rhonda Byrne. The Monk Who Sold His Ferrari by Robin Sharma. Dead and Alive by Hemant Ince. When Love Came Calling by Priti Shenoy. The Perfect Us by Durjoy Datta. The Silent Widow by Sidney Sheldon. True Believer by Nicholas Sparks, The Girl Who Knew Too Much by Vikrant Khanna, Just Married Mist by Himanshu Bhatia, Dare Dreamers by Kartik Sharma and Ravi Sharma, A Wonder Book by Nathaniel Hawthorne, Lanchan by Colonel Swadesh Parmar, Carnations. By the way, this book has my quotes inside it. So, yeah. Diaries into Politics by Ellen Clark, The Lovers by John Connolly, The Fault in Our Stars by John Green, Train to Pakistan by Khushwant Singh. This is the 50th anniversary edition, and this contains photographs from the partition, and that's the reason why I really love this book, as you can see. And this book is very special to me. So yeah. A Memory Keeper's Daughter by Kim Edwards, Of the Dark by Linda Kane and Robin Royston. This book is really amazing, so do give it a read if you can. Me Before You by Jojo Moyes. Now we have the Hunger Games series here. So this is the first book, The Hunger Games. Oh my gosh. Then we have Catching Fire here, and the third book, Mockingjay by Susan Collins. Different editions but amazing books. Now the Millennium series. The first book, The Girl with a Dragon Tattoo. The second book, The Girl Who Played with Fire. And the third book, The Girl Who Kicked a Hornet's Nest by Stieg Larsson. In Time for Christmas by Katie Flynn. The Apartment by Danielle Steele. Bookends by Jane Green. And my all-time favorite book, 11 Minutes by Paulo Coelho. The next we have here are collection of short stories. So this is the book Bright Lights, and then the Love collection, and then the Crossroads. So these are very beautiful short stories. Read them if you get a chance. These are all by Urban Shorts. Next we have Twilight series here. So this is Twilight by Stephanie Meyer, New Moon, then Eclipse, and finally The Breaking Dawn. There is this other book from the Maze Runner series. I only own one book from this series. Here it is. My Sister Millie by Gemma Dollar. One Day in December by Josie Silver. The Spirit Catches You and You Fall Down by Anne Fediman. Mother's Day by Christy Scott. Where the Indus is Young by Dervla Murphy. Wuthering Heights by Emily Bronte. 1,000 Splendid Suns by Khaled Hosseini. Adam and Eve and Pinch Me by Ruth Randall. The Sky is Falling by Sidney Sheldon. Where the Heart Is by Billy Letts. Lolita by Vladimir Nabokov. The Power of Your Subconscious Mind by Dr. Joseph Murphy. The 11th Plague by Jeff Hurst. Phantoms in the Brain by Sandra Blacksley and V.S. Ramchandran. Yayati by V.S. Khandekar. All He Ever Wanted by Anita Shreve. Now we have the Harappa trilogy by Vinit Bajpayee here. So this is the first book, Harappa. This is the second book, Pralay. And this is the third book, Kashi. The Namesake by Jhumpa Lahiri. The Snowman by Joe Nesbo. The Book Thief by Marcus Zusak. The Time Traveler's Wife by Audrey Niffenegger. The Outcast by Sadie Jones. Triple by Ken Follett. Where There Is Evil by Sandra Brown. Vanished by Karen Roberts. The Murder Book by Jonathan Kellerman. If Tomorrow Comes by Sidney Sheldon. The Guardian by Nicholas Sparks. Shamchi Ai by Sane Guruji. Lucifer and Angel by Barbara Cartland. The Alchemist by Paulo Coelho. Jane Eyre by Charlotte Bronte. Dracula by Bram Stoker. A Room of One's Own by Virginia Woolf. The Diary of a Young Girl by Anne Frank. A Friendly Road by David Grayson. Sense and Sensibility by Jane Austen. Persuasion by Jane Austen. Frankenstein by Mary Shelley. To Serve with Love by E.R. Braithwaite. 1984 by George Orwell. Animal Farm by George Orwell. To the Lighthouse by Virginia Woolf. The Gilded Cage by Josephine Cox. Sons and Daughters by Margaret Dickinson. Jenny's War by Margaret Dickinson. Barchester Towers by Anthony Trollope. The Morning Will Come by Naomi Jacob. The Secret by Rhonda Byrne. Small Great Things by Jodi Picoult. The Runaway Jury by John Grisham. Pride and Prejudice by Jane Austen. Jude the Obscure by Thomas Hardy. The Tommyknockers by Stephen King. Needful Things by Stephen King. The Silent Patient by Alex Michaelides. The Carpet Weaver by Nehmat Sadat. Dreamcatcher by Stephen King. And the last but not the least, The Miseducation of Cameron Post by Emily Danforth. And this is one of the most beautiful books on my shelf because of this rainbow edges. Yeah. Hi, I hope you enjoyed the video. So this is how my bookshelf looks right now. I shifted it again, and these are all the books that I have read, and so I have kept them like this, piling up, and these are just small copies which I really like to place or keep vertically because they look quite good. And then on this shelf we have all the books that I still haven't read. Many of these are new books that I hauled from Flipkart and Bookchore few weeks ago. So if you haven't watched that video, watch it. It's right up here or somewhere in the description, and there are books in the back too. So yes, hi again. So those were all the books that I own, and I hope you liked the video. And I didn't really count how many books I have. So if you did, do let me know in comments, and do let me know how many books I own. Also, let me know if you spotted any favorites of yours or any book that is on your TBR. And yeah, so that's it, I guess. I hope you like this video, and I hope you like my other videos too. So yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Stay tuned till then. Bye. Take care.